Proper tire safety is all about knowing your numbers. In this video, we'll look at tread depth, air pressure, tire age, and tire rotation, and what magic numbers you should know to help keep you safe on the road. First up, tire tread. The magic number to remember here is 4/32. You should have more than 4/32 of an inch of tire tread before hitting the road. Anything less than that, and we recommend a tire change. Having the proper tread depth on your tires ensures you have the best possible handling, traction, and stopping distance for your tires. Not sure if it's time to replace your tires? Watch this video here for more information. Next, your air pressure. You should always keep your tires set to your vehicle's recommended pressure. You can consult your driver's manual or the tire placard attached to the vehicle door edge, door post, glove box, or fuel door for this number. And for even more information on air pressure, check out this video here. The next magic number is 6. At Discount Tire, we recommend changing any tires that are over 6 years old. You can see the age of your tires by looking at the DOT number, which stands for Department of Transportation, stamped on the sidewall of your tire right here. The DOT number shows the week and the year the tire was manufactured. So in this case, the number is 4922, meaning that this tire was made in the 49th week of the year 2022. And finally, you should rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. For even more information on the importance of tire rotation, check out this video here. Want to make sure your numbers are adding up? Book an appointment for your free tire inspection online at discounttire.com today, or stop by your local Discount Tire. Thanks for watching.